that part of his body is on the moon, that'll be like magical and emotional and reassuring. We didn't know what to do with his ashes, and this way, whoever misses him or wanted to celebrate him could just look up to the moon. If Liam could see what we're doing for him, he would really find it cool, and he would love it for sure, and he would probably be proud that we're doing this. To like just stand there as a family and just like watch Liam be launched to the moon, like that we are able to continue his dreams. The launch will be part of our healing process and the grief, and it'll be a happy moment. It won't be anything, I know there'll be tears for sure, but it'll be happy tears.